All right, exciting news. All the parts have finally arrived for my new PC build. We're going with a Thermaltake case. It's that Core P3 tempered glass case that can be wall mounted, very customizable. You can even print 3D printed pieces for putting fans on the bars, all kinds of stuff. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use the case wall mounting wise yet, but we'll see how heavy it is once the build is over. You can see there's the ROG Crosshair 8 Hero. It's got the Wi-Fi. It was just like $10 or $20 difference. I was like, oh, fine, have Wi-Fi built in. We're going with the Ryzen 7 in the 3700X. So that's got 8 cores, 16 threads at 4.4 max, 3.6 base. See what we can do with that. Just a little boring stuff. The 750 watt Thermaltake power supply and the water cooling solution for the processor. So that's going to be really beautiful in that Thermaltake case. The power supply is modular, so I won't have to use all the cables. Then for the RAM, we're going with the RGB Trident Z. That's 32 gigs of DDR4, and the final piece is the latest 4th generation NVMe M.2 SSD card by Corsair for a total of 1 terabyte. Now, I've already got 2 traditional storage hard drives, like 7500 RPM, for a total of 8 terabytes of storage. Those will be coming off my old PC into this build. Yeah, that's about it. So, I will do some unboxings on this packaging and post those later. And then I'll do the entire build video with some commentary along the way. But hopefully it will go well. I think everything works. The PC parts checker basically gave a good compatibility to everything. And my main goal was obviously not just the power, but also the look, since this case is definitely for a ton of display power, showing off what you've got in your system. Alright, there's that case, and the tempered glass goes across the front of the steel bars once you're finished. So it should be a good modular case, and we'll see what happens. So there you go. Talk to you later.